Yeah. You're very good at it. Good job, buddy. Keep going. Yeah. You can't start over already. You're not even done. Do it again, baby. Look at all these ones you have to put in still, okay? You have all of these ones here. Yes. Uh-oh, you dropped it. Good job. Keep going. You're about maybe a quarter to 1/3 there. Nathan, you're not even done. Why are you starting over? We can't put it in that way now. There you go. Yeah. Keep going. Look at all the Cheerios you still got to put in there. Don't put it in the lid. Put it in the container, buddy. There you go. Alright, Mom will put all the Cheerios here so it's easier for you to reach them, okay? You gonna dump them out already? Gonna start again? Start from scratch? Nathan, don't make a mess. Hey, hey, hey. Stop it.